Welcome to our Healing Garden Kit. This incredible set is designed to help you maintain good health, survive any natural disaster, and cure various ailments. It contains essential oils, herbs, and natural remedies that have been used for centuries for their unbelievable healing properties. Our Medicinal Garden Kit is ideal for those who value natural healing and want to take control of their health. With this kit, you get access to a wide range of benefits, including 1. Essential oils. Our essential oils are carefully selected and are ideal for aromatherapy, relaxation, and promoting overall well-being. Popular oils include lavender, eucalyptus, and peppermint. 2. Herbs. Our herbs are organic and non-GMO, ensuring the highest quality. Use them for culinary purposes, medicinal properties, or as natural pest repellents. 3. Natural remedies. Discover the power of natural remedies made from herbs, essential oils, and other natural ingredients. Use them for a variety of ailments, including headaches, colds, and skin conditions. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can improve your overall health and wellness while enjoying the benefits of nature's gifts. Remember that your body and mind deserve the best, and our kit is the perfect way to give it what it needs to thrive. Harness the power of natural healing with our Medicinal Garden Kit.